Protein is an important part of our diet. It helps in repairing and building of body tissues. It serves the role of transportation and storage of nutrients and keeps the immune system strong. The word protein comes from Greek word proteos, meaning primary or first. Food sources of protein include meat, fish, dairy, lentils, beans. During periods of growth such as infancy, childhood, and pregnancy, body needs more protein. Let's discuss importance of protein in detail, growth and maintenance. The body breaks down same amount of protein that it uses to build and repair tissues. This typically happens during the periods of illness. People recovering from injury and athletes requires more amount of protein in their diet. Protein causes biochemical reactions. These reactions takes place with enzymes both inside and outside the cells. For example, digestive enzymes like lactase and sucrose helps to digest sugar. Most of these bodily reactions include digestion, energy production, blood clotting, and muscle contraction. Thus, proteins allow chemical reactions in body. Proteins also acts as a messenger in body. This is a common myth that our body needs approximately 20 or 30 grams of protein in a meal. But it is not compulsory because there is variation in body requirements, so the amount of nutrients it requires also changes. Till now, this theory is not evident, and it is not true that amount of protein is fixed. But there is a variety of some common eating patterns that can help people to reach their potential diet goals, and that elaborates the minimum to maximum requirement of protein for body. We will discuss these patterns one by one. Eating pattern number 1. Following this pattern of diet, one has to eat small amount of protein at breakfast, a moderate amount at lunch, and a larger amount at dinner, such that in a typical day a person might eat 10 grams of protein or less at breakfast. It includes oatmeals, nuts, and berries. 25 gram protein at lunch, for example, cheese or sandwich. 5 grams should be taken as a snack, and 40 gram protein should be taken at dinner, which may include chicken or beef. Next, we have eating pattern number 2. This pattern includes eating a moderate amount of protein at all meals, including breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. It requires a person to eat 20 grams of protein at breakfast, for example, to egg-veggie omelette with some beans. In morning, 15 grams of snack, including cheese and fruits, should be eaten, while at dinner 10 grams of soup or meatless meal should be considered. This diet would provide roughly 80 grams of protein. According to Institute of Medicine, the recommended dietary allowance (RDA) of protein is 0.8 grams per kilogram of body weight. Hence, the requirements of nutrients varies individually.